List of highest mountains.
There are at least 100 mountains with heights of over 7,200 meters above sea level, all of which are located in Central and Southern Asia. Only those summits are included that, by an objective measure, may be considered individual mountains as opposed to subsidiary peaks.
Considerations.
The dividing line between a mountain with multiple peaks and separate mountains is not always clear. See also highest unclimbed mountain. A popular and intuitive way to distinguish mountains from subsidiary peaks is by their height above the highest saddle connecting it to a higher summit, a measure called topographic prominence or reascent. The highest summit is called the parent peak. A common definition of a mountain is a summit with 300 m, 980 feet, prominence. Alternatively, a relative prominence, prominence height, is used, usually 7 to 8% to reflect that in higher mountain ranges everything is on a larger scale. The table below lists the highest 100 summits with at least 500 m, 1,640 feet, prominence, approximating a 7% relative prominence. A drawback of a prominence-based list is that it may exclude well-known or spectacular mountains that are connected via a high ridge to a taller summit, like the Eiger or Nuptse. A few such peaks and mountains with nearly sufficient prominence are included but not numbered in this list. It is very unlikely that all given heights are correct to the nearest meter. Indeed, the sea level is often problematic to define when a mountain is remote from the sea. Different sources often differ by many meters, and the heights given below may well differ from those elsewhere in this encyclopedia. As an extreme example, Ulaf Muzta on the North Tibetan Plateau is often listed as 7,723 m, 25,338 feet, to 7,754 m, 25,440 feet, but appears to be only 6,973 m, 22,877 feet, to 6,987 m, 22,923 feet. Some mountains differ by greater than 100 m, 330 feet, on different maps, while even very thorough current measurements of Mount Everest range from 8,840 m, 29,003 feet, to 8,850 m, 29,035 feet. These discrepancies serve to emphasize the uncertainties in the listed heights. Though some parts of the world, especially the most mountainous parts, have never been thoroughly mapped, it is unlikely that any mountains this high have been overlooked, because synthetic aperture radar can and has been used to measure altitudes of most otherwise inaccessible places. Still, heights and/or prominences may be revised, so that the order of the list may change and even new mountains could enter the list over time. To be safe, the list has been extended to include all greater than 7,200 m, 23,622 feet, peaks. The highest mountains above sea level are generally not the highest above the surrounding terrain. There is no precise definition of surrounding base, but Mount McKinley, Mount Kilimanjaro and Nanga Parbat are possible candidates for the tallest mountain on land by this measure. The bases of mountain islands are below sea level, and given this consideration Mauna Kea, 4,207 m, 13,802 feet, above sea level, is the world's tallest mountain and volcano, rising about 10,203 m, 33,474 feet, from the Pacific Ocean floor. Ojos del Salado has the greatest rise on Earth, 13,420 m, 44,029 feet, from the summit to the bottom of the Atacama Trench about 560 kilometers, 350 miles, away, though most of this rise is not part of the mountain. The highest mountains are also not generally the most voluminous. Mauna Loa, 4,169 m or 13,678 feet, is the largest mountain on Earth in terms of base area, about 2,000 square miles or 5,200 kilometers 2, and volume, about 10,000 cubic miles or 42,000 kilometers 3, although, due to the intergrade of lava from Kilauea, Hualalai and Mauna Kea, the volume can only be estimated based on surface area and height of the edifice. Mount Kilimanjaro is the largest non-shield volcano in terms of both base area, 245 square miles or 635 kilometers 2, and volume, 1,150 cubic miles or 4,793 kilometers 3. Mount Logan is the largest non-volcanic mountain in base area, 120 square miles or 311 kilometers 2. The highest mountains above sea level are also not those with peaks furthest from the center of the Earth, because the figure of the Earth is not spherical. Sea level closer to the equator is several miles farther from the center of the Earth. The summit of Chimborazo, Ecuador's tallest mountain, is usually considered to be the farthest point from the Earth's center, although the southern summit of Peru's tallest mountain, Huascarán, is another contender. Both have elevations above sea level more than 2 kilometers less than that of Everest.
Geographical distribution.
Most mountains in the list are located in the Himalaya and Karakoram ranges to the south and west of the Tibetan Plateau. In fact, 7,000 million Albanian leks, 23,000 feet, peaks in the world are located in the center of Asia, East Asia, Central Asia and South Asia, in a rectangle edged by Muashak, 7,492 m or 24,580 feet, on the Afghanistan-Pakistan border in the west, Jengishchokubzu, Tumuadfeng, 7,439 m or 24,406 feet, on the Kyrgyzstan, Xinjiang border to the north, Gongashan, Minya Konka, 7,556 m or 24,790 feet, in Sichuan to the east, and Kabru, 7,412 m or 24,318 feet, on the Sikkim, India, Nepal border to the south. The highest mountain outside of Asia is Aconcagua, 6,962 m or 22,841 feet, which one list has ranking 189th in the world amongst mountains with a 500 m or 1,640 feet prominence cut-off. The locations of the highest mountains are shown on the composite satellite image of High Asia below. The numbers refer to the ranking in the list. For clarity, lower peaks with labels overlapping higher peaks are left out of the main image. The boxed regions are those with the highest density of summits and are enlarged in two separate images to show all peaks.
Stem and leaf plot.
The following is a stem and leaf plot of the above data. The two digits to the left of the line are the first two digits of the mountain's height, meters, and each digit to the right of the line represents the third digit of the mountain's height. Each number on the right is linked to the corresponding mountain's article. For example, the height of one of the mountains, namely Mount Everest, is 884x meters. Also, it is apparent that there are only 5 mountains above 8,200 meters. 88.4, 87, 86.1, 85.81, 84.8, 83, 82, 81.8662, 89.8532, 79.5433. 7898762210, 779988554100, 7697666411, 75775544433311, 749997666553222111. 000, 738888866555421110, 7299988877665444322110000000.
Gallery.